Today we're going to do a tour of Radiance of the Seas Grand Suite number 1032, located on the 10th deck towards the forward elevators. Let's go check this out. This is our first Grand Suite that we've ever had, so we like being spoiled. So when you first came in, they had fresh fruit and some waters for us. They already had ice in the ice bucket for us. Check out this room. All right, so first you have the closets. Got a whole bank, comes with robes and slippers, tons of hangers, so you definitely are set there. This third one has the safe, and then your cabinet has a mini fridge down below, empty storage area. You could actually even fit a suitcase in there. And then what I really like is that you've got the drawers. I like drawers versus shelves. And then before we go into the rest of the suite, we'll go to the bathroom first. This does have like a little step up, but look how huge this bathroom is. So for those that have sailed before, you know bathrooms are notoriously tiny. So this is a big treat. It has a full-size bathtub. I mean, definitely full size. Has nice upgraded, so you have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the body wash. You have the one that you can detach, and like I said, you can full bath. You got dual sinks, which again is fantastic. You got some additional storage, as well as drawers, really deep drawers. So tons of storage for in here. And then next up, a little trash. So you got body lotion as well as bar soap in here. Got a ledge that you can store more stuff if you need to. So massive bathroom. Then coming into the room, it is split between a living room and your bedroom. So your living room has a full sofa, which does make out into a bed if needed. So you could fit more than 2 people in here. Got 2 chairs. You got several end tables as well as a coffee table. You have your TV here in the corner as well as your own coffee machine. We're not coffee folks, so that probably will never get used. Then you go over into the bedroom area. Nice large bed with end tables and lamps. Then you have a really nice desk area over here with more drawers and a hair dryer. Got cupboards over here. Like I said, tons and tons of storage. Got a makeup mirror. It comes with 2 EU plugs, 2 US plugs. Not even sure what that was supposed to be. Looks like nothing at the moment. So that's not useful. You'll definitely want to have a block for your USB ports. Got another cabinet over here. Again, more drawers. Tons of drawers. Got a little cubby here. Has your orders for your food if you want to do breakfast in the room. So nice little area. Definitely be nice for editing my videos. I can sit right here at the desk. So again, you got lamp control or light control from the bed. It does not look like there are any outlets or USB here either. So you guys are definitely going to want to have a USB block to bring with you here. And then one thing I wanted to point out too is that they have this handy curtain that you can pull, and it will totally close off the bedroom from the living room so that you'll be able to have somebody out here with lights on while the other person is still sleeping. So now let's go outside. This whole wall of windows. So it has 2 sliding doors, so you could open up the whole thing. It's Florida, so it's a little humid now, so we obviously will not be leaving that open. You have a nice cushioned lounge chair, and then you've got a table and 2 chairs. The chairs are cushioned also. You have a nice overhang, so you will never get rained on from here. We are on deck 10, so we're midship. So when you kind of look below, you've got a canopy, but no obstructions. So be nice Be definitely nice sitting there. So coming back in, here's the final glance at the cabin. Huge grand suite. Again, this is Grand Suite 1032 on the Radiance of the Seas. If you ever have a chance to book this cabin, I'd highly recommend it. It's a great location and beautiful room. Subscribe to my channel for more cruising tips, tours, and casino comps. Thanks a lot.